In a world where success is a choice, one center stands out: Distinction Learning Center.
DLC, the light of education, where your dreams come alive and your future gets direction. DLC, success is our mission. Waec, Neco, Utme, we train you for distinction.
I was confused, didn't know the way, reading hard but still not okay. Then I heard about a special place where knowledge shines and goals are chased. Teachers patient, lessons clear, confidence grows, no more fear. From failure stories to success songs, a DLC, I belong.
DLC, the light of education. From average scores to excellence, we build a solid foundation. DLC, where champions are made. Your dream school is possible with every step well laid.
I saw the change, I saw the growth. My child now speaks with hope. Discipline, knowledge, confidence too. Distinction Learning Center pulls you through. Medicine, law, engineering dreams. No more guesswork, no more schemes. CBT training, guidance strong. At DLC, nothing goes wrong.
No shortcuts, no magic tricks, just hard work, focus and discipline. If you want success that will last, DLC is the path. DLC, the light of education. Register today, secure your space and celebrate graduation. DLC, where distinction's guaranteed. Your success story starts right here at Distinction Learning Center.
Distinction Learning Center, opposite of Groma, Isala Oja, Kuto, Abeokuta.